Hello. This is just a very quick video to say to apologize for the last live stream that I did, which was the 6th one, which was the Resident Evil one. In terms of the sound, the first half an hour you can't hear me for some reason. I'm going to try and keep this video brief, but and someone had to say in the chat that they couldn't hear me, and then I realized what had happened. But the way I saw it is when you start the live stream, you have loads of tick boxes and whatever. You have to just say yes to everything, because otherwise you won't be able to see me or hear me or whatever. So seeing as they were all ticked, then I was assuming the sound was going to come through. What's the point of having a face cam if you can't hear me? That's kind of fruitless. But I had to mute the microphone. I had the microphone muted because I'm playing Friday the 13th without me talking on it. Because I just, I don't want to be doing that, and I don't want to have anyone hear my breathing just like, so yeah, but I thought it would take over, and then, but I had to uncheck that, and for some reason that takes priority. It's like, yeah, of course, we can see the face cam, but is there any sound coming out of it? No. So it's all stupid. So yeah, but the first half an hour is only, I guess it's watchable, but you won't be able to hear me, but yeah. But after that, you can hear me again, because and there were people watching on that first half an hour. It's like, what were they thinking? Could they hear me? I don't even know. But you can't hear it on the stream anyway, so yeah. So yeah, just a quick apology for that one. Didn't realise that would be so stupid. Why would it do that? I thought, yeah, it's live streaming. It's going to unmute it anyway, because otherwise, what's the point? It's like, that's kind of stupid. So the setup was just ridiculous on that front, but I'll make sure in future not to do that. I don't know. Yes, mute the microphone, even though it says share the microphone volume with the live stream. Yeah, it makes all the sense in the world. It's like, which one takes precedent? Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna try and make this brief. So yeah, also I also had to discuss the facial hair, because if you haven't been watching the Halloween skits, that's how I lost it. And there will be another Halloween skit tomorrow I'll be getting out. So yeah, the aftermath of the shaving, shall we say, which is why I don't have any hair for the last stream. If you haven't been watching the Halloween skits, then that's the reason why. Shock horror. But it's gonna come back eventually. It will grow back, because I miss it. So yeah, okay, that's it now. I'm going, so see you later. Goodbye. That's all I'm gonna say. Woo.